welcome to the Tom Brady Super Bowl ring review event of Stars Galaxy Productions. Right here, I got all 7 Super Bowl rings from Tom Brady's NFL football career. Gonna show you right now. Look how it is. The first ring I'm gonna try to put on right now. This is Tom Brady first ring. He won against the Los Angeles Rams. Shows the Tom Brady, number 12, and shows the score. Score was 20-17, 2001, when he won his first ring. So let's put this on. Okay. Alright, look at that. That's Tom Brady's first ring. And his name. It says here on the information, it was Super Bowl 36. He won his first ring, season 2001. That this ring has 42 white carat diamonds of gold. And he was playing the ring against Los Angeles Rams. He was the AFC with the Patriots at the time. Now to the second ring. The second ring in 2003, the story behind this one, 2003, Tom Brady number 12, right here, undefeated champions. Right here says the score, Super Bowl 38, when he faced the New Carolina Panthers. The score was 32-29. That was Super Bowl 38. And it says right here, it had 14 white carat diamonds. So that's one of this ring here. Look at that. Very big. That's the second Vince Lambori trophy he won at the time. So move on to the next ring. And this cost me $100 to get the official identical ring. Link in the description below when I end this video. Here we go, 2004. This is when they went back to back from 2003 to 2004. Dynasty begins. Right here says Super Bowl 39, where he faced the. Hold up. He faced the Eagles. Score was 24-21. Philadelphia Eagles. Fly, Eagles fly. Who was an Eagles fan or Patriots fan? And how many diamonds it had? It had 124 diamonds of white carat gold, honoring the score 24-21. Winning streak from 2008 to 2004. Next ring, we got the fourth ring when he beat the Seattle Seahawks in Super Bowl 49. Look at the ring, pretty shiny, very. 2014 Super Bowl 49. Score was 28-24 against Seahawks, against Russell Wilson. Right here, do your job and stuff. This ring carries 205 diamonds. It's one of the biggest rings that Rob Kraft said. He said this. This magnificent championship ring carries 205 diamonds. And it's the biggest ring ever made. 205, that's a lot of diamonds. Let's put this on. Hold up. Just trying to slide down my finger. There we go. See that? That's a big ring. That is a big ring, people. For 205 diamonds. Now, moving on to... Oh yeah, we're going to mention the Dynasty. In 2008, Super Bowl 42, he lost to Eli Manning 17-14. Lost to in Super Bowl 42 Super Bowl 46, 2012, right here with New England against Patriots. Now, move on to the fifth ring. This fifth ring contains how many diamonds? Right. This ring carries at least 325 diamonds, a white carat gold, being the Philadelphia the Falcons, my mistake, the Falcons. This ring carries 283 diamonds, honoring the comeback score for the Super Bowl 51 against Falcons, 32-28, as in 283 diamonds, white carat gold. It says here Super Bowl 51, right here with the Dystany. Look at the diamonds, right here. Now let's put this baby on. Look at that. That's a nice, pretty big ring for 5 Vince Lambori trophies. Like very, very big. Very big, carry 203 diamonds. Now, we're going to the sixth ring. This sixth ring is my favorite. The seventh ring we'll get to. Now, the sixth ring, wait, before we go to that one, in 2017, Tom Brady faced the Philadelphia Eagles in Super Bowl 52 to go back-to-back. You know, he lost to the Eagles 41-33. Now, that's when Super Bowl 53 came in against the Rams. Right here is Super Bowl 53 ring, honoring the score 13-3, had 10 gold, 10 karat gold and 422 diamond. That's bigger compared to this 205 ring diamond right here. Like, look how big it is, yo. Look how big it is, how massive it literally is. It's shiny, yo. Bling bling. But yeah, they beat the Los Angeles Rams 13-3 and contained 422 diamonds. The score of the game, 8.4 carats of white gold and 10 carats of white gold. Now, the seventh ring of Tom Brady's career with the Bucs. Right here, this is the biggest ring. The biggest out of them all. This is the big, I say the Cowboy big ring. Now, this is the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Tampa. You actually know me, I'm a Tampa Bay Buccaneers fan and stuff. Right here, this ring just won the Super Bowl in their hometown. And this ring honoring the score 31-9 has Tom Brady 12 MVP. He's a 5-time MVP. Honoring the score 31-9, Super Bowl 55. If I pull up the top, show Raymond Stadium. Hold up. I gotta put the camera down. There we go. Right here shows inside Raymond James Stadium. Right there's the scores of the playoffs. Right here, right there. That's Raymond James Stadium inside. And the white diamond shows that they became the first team to win the Super Bowl in their hometown of turf. Come like to the Yankees. Now, it says historic. Hold up, flip over. It says historic. This is the top piece. It says on February 7, 2021, the Tampa Bay Buccaneers made the history in the NFL Super Bowl career. They won the first time in their hometown in the Super Bowl season, honoring the score 31-9 against the Kansas City Chiefs. And they became the first team to ever play in their home turf and win in Super Bowl 55. Pretty nice ring though. See, put the top on. There we go. Put the top on. This is the biggest ring ever made. And not saying Robert Kraft, Bruce Arians and Kyle Glazer made this ring for the Super Bowl team. So yeah. That ring only the score for 31-9. These Diamonds has 8 season wins on the playoffs, and wild cards go to the Super Bowl. So yeah, this has been the ring event. Like, subscribe to Stars Gas Reflections. Like and subscribe and comment below which ring is your favorite. What is the 2001, 2002? No, I say 2001, 2003, 2004, 2017, 2014, 2018, or 2021.